Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now this entire car is wrapped in PPF paint protection film from front to back. And so it's done a phenomenal job at keeping this paint and all the carbon bits nice and pretty. Now there are a couple imperfections here and there in the film, and it's very hard to tell if some of these imperfections are rock chips or if they're just little snags in the film itself. But you do have a little imperfection there. And feeling underneath this splitter, you have a little curb rash right here on the very end. See if I can't get under there. And then you can see some bubbling here on the PPF. It's not in the carbon. That should just be on the film. Some of it goes away when you put some pressure on it. Looking through that front clip, looks gorgeous. You have a little curb rash on the underside there as well. I'm trying to find any scuffs, scratches, chips, things like that. I don't see any curb rash on these wheels. They look gorgeous. Full PPF on every little component. Yeah, we have an imperfection in the film there. It looks like it has some dirt under it. It's very hard to tell if that's a chip in the paint or just an imperfection in the film that did get snagged by a rock or something. Mirror looks amazing. A-pillar looks awesome. That roof is gorgeous. I don't feel any chips on the door edge. Full PPF on the spoiler. This side in the sun. All right, as far as imperfections go back here, I don't see anything. It looks absolutely perfect. Spoiler looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash on these wheels. The door edge is awesome. I'm not seeing any chips there. I don't see any snags in the film anywhere. So I would say this side is perfect. This car is very, very clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. All this Alcantara looks amazing. Lower side looks good. Upper looks good. Kick plate looks perfect. Here on the bolster, the edge looks amazing. That looks perfect as well. Coming on the inside here, you do have a couple wrinkles. That's really about it. Everything else looks awesome. Steering wheel looks good. All these buttons look amazing. Looking at the door panel, looks amazing. Kick plate area is super clean. That PPF comes up to this trim right there to fully protect it. Floor mats look awesome. That bolster is absolutely perfect. Seats look amazing. I'm not seeing any imperfections whatsoever on these seats. Armrest looks good. You have a couple scuffs right there. Everything else looks perfect on this side. Okay, we're gonna go for a quick drive. Okay, now I'm going to put it in PDK Sport.